Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have something exciting to talk about. The Oppo A98 5G. This smartphone promises a lot in terms of performance, camera capabilities and design. So let's dive right in. First things first, the unboxing. So inside the box, we have the SIM ejector pin, the quick start guide document, which I am sure most of you don't even read. Then we have the transparent case for the phone, which protects it. Then we have the Oppo A98 5G at the bottom, which is lovely. I love the color. Then we have a USB charger at the bottom with the 67-watt charging brick. Now, let's talk about the design. The Oppo A98 5G looks stunning with its sleek and modern design. Has a matte back with a dreamy blue color and aluminum sides. Then it has a 2-camera module that houses the triple rear camera setup. Then a power button that works as a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the side. At the bottom we have the treasured headphone jack, a USB-C charging port and one of the stereo speakers. The other one is at the top. We also have a hybrid dual SIM card tray that doubles down as an SD card slot for memory expansion. Then under it, we have the volume button. It's got a 67-inch IPS LCD display with minimal bezels. The screen produces vibrant colors, although it's not as good as the AMOLED panel. But the 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution ensures sharp visuals, and the videos and photos look great. This phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 695 5G processor with 8 gigs of RAM, so this will ensure you smooth multitasking and gaming. Uploads real quick and you'll experience minimal lag. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a silky smooth flow for daily use. This phone is a powerhouse for everyday tasks and gaming enthusiasts. You will love it. It's super smooth. So now to the camera. The Oppo A98 5G comes with a 64-megapixel primary lens, a 2-megapixel micro lens and 2-megapixel depth lens. The photos it produces are sharp, vibrant and detailed. Then we have the 32-megapixel selfie camera at the front. The photos produced are good and detailed. The photo quality is good enough for social media. The software on this phone is the ColorOS 13.1, which is Oppo's custom Android skin, running on Android 13. It's user-friendly and comes with a lot of useful features. One of the highlights of the Oppo A98 5G is its battery. With the 5000 mAh battery, it will keep you powered throughout your busy day, promising you 16 hours of video viewing on full battery. And when it's time to charge, it supports the fast charging with its 67-watt charging brick, so you can get back to using your phone in no time. Actually, you get 50% in 18 minutes and 100% in 44 minutes. That is fast. So, in conclusion, the Oppo A98 5G is a well-rounded smartphone with great display, great performance and a versatile camera system. It actually offers value for money, and if you're in the market for a mid-range smartphone, this one will definitely be on your list. You can get it at our physical shop at Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1 Moi Avenue, starting from 44,000 bob, or simply go to our website at www.phoneplacekenya.com. Make your order today. That's it for a review of the Oppo A98 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.